Hi everybody, this car has been parked here since this morning at about 11:30. Not being started, not being turned on. We do want to give you a true cold start video. You can see temperature's down. We have become accustomed to this car not being started for a week. On a couple occasions, we've kept it on a trickle and off of a trickle, weeks in between. It started up fine on both occasions and runs and drives great. Hopefully that helps. Thanks to everybody for watching the auction so far, and let us know if there are more questions.